Hey everyone! Welcome back to Majak, your one-stop shop for fun facts you didn't know you needed. Today, we're sneezing our way into an age-old tradition, saying bless you when someone sneezes. Have you ever wondered why we do that? Well, let's uncover the mystery. First off, sneezing is like a mini explosion in your face. Fun fact, the air from a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. Yep, faster than your morning commute. But why bless you? Turns out, it's not just a polite thing, it's rooted in history and a little bit of superstition. Way back in 590 AD, the bubonic plague was wreaking havoc in Europe. Pope Gregory I decided that saying God bless you after a sneeze could help protect people from getting sick. It became so common that it stuck around, even after the plague was gone. But wait, there's more. Some believe that when you sneeze, your heart stops for a split second. So, people said bless you as a way of saying, glad you didn't die. Spoiler alert, your heart doesn't actually stop, but hey, it's a cool story. Finally, there's the age-old belief that sneezing could let evil spirits sneak in. So, saying bless you was like putting up a spiritual do not enter sign. Pretty wild, right? So, whether you're trying to ward off evil spirits, show you care, or just follow tradition, now you know why we say bless you when someone sneezes. Thanks for watching Majak. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun facts coming your way. Stay curious.